YouTube Wagwan, man. You know it's your boy Click, and you're tuned into Click React. I got my special guest in the house again. My cousin Deville is here. Introduce yourself, man.
My name is Davel, as you heard already. Well, Renardo,
Hey.
but I'm from Westmoreland, Jamaica. You know, I think said already.
Okay.
Don't know.
Okay, what are we doing today?
They represent, man. We react to a video by Skeng, right? Music video.
Okay.
So
Okay.
we have that for you guys.
How do you think it's gonna go? How do
I
you
mean,
think?
you know, says Skeng about artist already, brother.
And you think his music as of late has been the same?
No,
Okay.
it's been a different
I just
level.
wanted you to be honest with yourself with that one because his video when this guy just came out though, I can't lie, his music was like back to back. Every time he dropped a track, it was a banger. But when he started naming songs after places he's visited,
Yeah.
that's when I was like, yo, I think this guy's kind of
Yeah.
losing it. You know what I mean? But you know, we support all our Jamaican artists anyway, so that's what we're gonna do, guys. If you're new to the channel, what you can also do is support them and them. Hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications, and what else?
Like and subscribe.
Guys,
You know what thing said.
appreciate you guys, man. Appreciate you. We'll see you guys in the next one, man. Peace. Okay, I like that fit.
It's like them say nothing yet.
That's cool.
So at the beginning, let there be light.
I like the beat, the bass.
Darker than before. Remember good in the morning, something you never experience, something you never think of. At the start
Oh, the
of
background.
new year,
Background school.
I'm the king, all year the done. Who was
And this beat is confusing me. It's like it's slow to start or something. I don't
Yeah.
know what it is.
That's like what, 30 seconds? Right?
Yeah.
I mean, when the beat drops though.
Yeah,
When the beat drops.
Yeah. Let's pull that up. Let's pull that up from the start. Let's pull that up from the start. That shit was hard. Hold on. I was just getting ready to talk shit about the song. That's crazy. Okay.
It's like them say nothing yet. So at the beginning, let there be light.
And the beat is tough. And this is the thing for me. I love
Darker than before.
like this is what I miss. I don't know if I mean you're old enough to remember your dad plays very old music, but
Yeah.
you know back in the day when one rhythm will drop and there's 7 artists on it and you're like listening to see who kills the beat the best. Like that's what I miss. But
Yeah.
the
Features,
yeah.
like multiple features on
Yeah.
one song. Yeah.
Yeah, that is what I miss in dancehall. And the thing is, there's too much hate against each other for them to do that. Only some artists agree with some artists. Only some promoters are okay. Some artists won't allow certain promoters to make other niggas voice on their shit. It's too much foolishness, bro.
Yeah, you got multiple gangs and all that,
Mhm,
you know, within the
mhm.
music industry. Yeah.
Exactly.
Remember good in the morning, something you never
Remember a good
experience,
one,
something you never think of.
Gucci
At
fit.
the starting of a new year,
Mhm.
I'm the king, all year the done. Who was sure the journey.
Yeah, up until the beat drops, I think it's nothing. But
Yeah.
when the beat drops, it hits. Ah, the ad libs are so fire. Bro,
Yo.
that's what I wanted to talk about. Yo, the
This
man,
guy, bro,
he loves Molly, eh?
he's always on it. Like multiple songs.
I
Molly.
hear, yeah, like I thought he was just saying it because he thought it was popular, but it looks like this man actually out here popping Molly. And I heard that Jamaica has like a Molly problem. Like there's clubs that you can go to just to pop Molly. I don't know why this drug is promoted as being cool, but that shit is not cool.
Yeah.
I would like I don't get it because Molly is just MDMA. I don't know if you know what that is. It's like ecstasy. Like that shit like makes your heart race and you feel like that is known to us. Like it's no different than cocaine or crackheads growing up. Like it's the same type of effects that you're looking for. If anything worse. So it's kind of crazy to me that he promotes that shit. But I mean, hey, his music is fire though, so I'll give him that. But the Molly shit that he keeps talking about, I don't fuck with it.
I mean, one thing I noticed too, like he's the only one like featured in the video. Like he doesn't have anybody around him. He's just there in the forest by himself.
Yeah, like the team isn't with him like
Yeah.
in the other songs and stuff like that. Yeah, it's good
Yeah.
to switch it up sometimes, right?
I mean, and it does sound like a tune for the youths in a way, but the
Minus
only
the
thing is
Molly
just the
thing.
Mali. Yeah.
Minus the Molly thing and they good, yeah.
Not that could only really cause eruption. Pan them peas and them cues, tell them to relax, man. Have time for the mock, me on fit the cash. Tell you all of them say, young place for them stop. First of all,
Yo, this
Yeah.
Yo, why does he look like that? Yo,
It's crazy.
Thank God you're an artist, fam. Like, you know,
Man.
that's all I can say. Look at this nigga, bro. You look like you are Molly. Oh my
That's great.
God, fam. Like, it's just so funny that I paused it exactly on that face.
Mm,
Shit. You know what? He
yeah.
almost looked like Ninja One, no? Like that type of.
Yeah.
You know
The
that
expression
yeah.
too. Yeah, it
That
does.
shit is so crazy, fam.
That's
put this in the
really
song.
crazy, man.
God for clear the air, put some hook in them place. Yeah, shoot
And
them
one thing I
serious.
know for a fact that suit that he has on is hot.
I mean, you probably see that going for over
I don't know how
over what? I don't even know how to put an estimate on it.
hoodies and them something in a hot ass Jamaica sometime. Like yes, 1 and 2 times it's a little chilly, but it ain't that cold.
Yeah. I mean, I can relate at night. It kind of gets chilly sometimes, but you know, and I know it's getting further down to Christmas time, so you know it probably would get a little bit
I mean,
cold.
if you lived in Blue Mountain, I would understand. You know, it's like
Yeah.
Star lifestyle, respect, take a ball of this me. That's something risky.
Oh, okay.
I wonder who is he even talking about, you know? Like
One time they were saying it's Popcorn and whoever. No.
one time they were even saying it's a massacre, so I don't know. I don't know what's going on there.
Nobody is really agreeing with the Molly thing, so he can have enemies with anybody, to be honest.
That's
you know
true.
What I mean? But who knows?
That's something risky. Everybody knows him, but him for making this. Controversy upon the media that do all of them look.
I mean, I gotta give him props for the song though. It's
There he is talking. I like that bar too. Controversy upon the media.
Yeah.
I'ma talk the truth and everybody see that lyrically, physically, none of them and nobody put me gang to the world, show them sorry at the money.
Yeah, I like this song still.
In the feeling can manage you well established. Put my matic in the pocket, whole country will lock it. Anything violate, we are send them down.
And his hair, it's kind of, I don't know why niggas do that shit to their hair.
I mean the man trim right now, yeah. You
Oh,
know
yeah?
that? Yeah, the
I
man
saw that
trim
picture.
right now.
He did look like a little alien still. He looked like a gunman, like he sings about.
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know. The bleaching here is half
Half,
thing.
yeah.
That shit is like Cruella DeVille. You know Cruella DeVille from 101 Dalmatians, or you never watched that?
No.
It's
Oh,
like-
that's the woman in there?
Yes,
Yeah.
That's where anytime I see people with half this, half that, that's what I think of. So it's kind of weird.
Yeah.
Overall, I think, let me just finish out the video. I'll give my final.
It's done.
I think overall for me, that video is good. It's simple, and that's one thing I like when the video is simple. Like it's just you, not a bag of people in the video. You're just saying what you gotta say, deliver your message. Beats fire, songs good. So obviously not gonna top what he originally came out with, but I think it's a good song. What do you think?
I mean, it's a good song. Like he's by himself
Yeah.
in the forest or whatever. Like, you know, it sounds like a motivational thing in a way, but
By the way, he said forest for you North American people. What he meant is bush. Continue.
well, same thing. You know, like he just gives his side of the story in a way where it's just him and then like him against everybody.
Yeah.
You know?
I get what you're saying.
Yeah, and like he's giving a message to the youths in a way too.
Yeah.
And then him just talk about the gun thing again. You know,
That's a good
to everybody.
I agree. And guys, remember, turn on post notifications, hit sub, drop a like. Let us know what you think about the video, man. Thank you for rocking with us. I'll see you guys in the next one, man. Peace.